With your hands. Go. No, with your hands. Oh, good job. Good job. Look at it. Look. You made a clover. Yay!
Did you just eat some, Zoe? That was right. Don't eat it.
Nani made a circle. Boop.
Dinosaur. Can you say dinosaur? Doesn't sound like dinosaur. Can you say tiara?
Oh, Nani's gonna have fun. New?
Moo.
Is that a cow?
No.
Or just said moo?
Moo.